Hello, I am Stephanie the attorney, here to answer the question, what is the statute of limitation and why is it important? So, let's get started. Why statute of limitations are important? First of all, what it is these are laws that are set with a maximum time period during which certain legal proceedings must be initiated after an event occurs. And if you do not pay attention or understand what a statute of limitation is, you may lose your right to pursue certain relief in any type of legal situation. Once this limit passes, individuals or entities lose the right to bring a lawsuit or prosecute certain offenses. Statutes of limitations may vary depending on the jurisdiction or the state, right? For example, there's civil cases and criminal cases both have statute of limitations. So examples would be in civil cases, personal injury or property damage, and those statute of limitations range from 1 to 6 years. In criminal cases, for minor offenses, the limit might be a few years, but serious crimes like murder often have no statute of limitations, which you probably know from watching television, movies, etc., right? No statute of limitations most of the time on murder. You can always be brought, arrested, and tried for murder. Okay, but civil cases is mostly what I handle. I don't really do the criminal thing, criminal type lawsuits. So in a civil situation, I just want to get the message across. First of all, again, statute of limitations, so you can better understand, is a certain time frame that you have. Let's just say you're in a mall or you're in a car accident and you're thinking about bringing a case or a claim against someone. You have a certain amount of time legally to bring that lawsuit, right? And also criminal, if you do anything wrong or you're found to have committed a crime of some type of offense, the state has a certain amount of time to bring that lawsuit against you unless you commit murder, which we're not doing that, right? So the statute of limitation is important for several reasons. Fairness and justice. Over time, evidence can be lost or memories fade and witnesses may become unavailable. Second, legal certainty and closure. It provides certainty and closure to individuals and businesses, ensuring that they are exposed to they are not exposed to indefinite legal liability, right? Like I said, murder is open-ended, and so they can always bring that case. But in certain situations, you don't want it to be left like forever for someone to accuse you of something like rape, right? Or burglary, right? So you shut the door after a certain amount of time, mostly a certain time of years, period of years. Third, it encourages a prompt resolution of a situation. The statute encourages plaintiffs to pursue their claims in a timely manner. It prevents vexatious litigation. Without a statute of limitations, individuals could face lawsuits many years or even decades after the event, which could lead to an unfair or abusive litigation practices. So this time limit avoids this. Number 5, protecting defendants' rights. Over time, it becomes more difficult for defendants to defend themselves due to the degradation of evidence or the passing of witnesses. Overall, the statute of limitations are important, right? Because it allows a certain time frame and limit that someone can bring a lawsuit and also can accuse you of a crime, right? But it's important to know this in case anything happens on the personal injury front or property damage front. In case you believe you may have a claim against anyone, it's important to understand that you just don't have an open-ended amount of time to bring that case or that claim. It is a time limitation on you. And again, it varies by state. But you can always check with me, ask Stephanie, to confirm what the statute of limitations are per your state for your particular situation. I can confirm that for you. And if you ever see SOL anywhere, that's what that stands for, statute of limitations. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have any other questions, ask Stephanie. You can reach me at askstephanie@gmail.com. Thank you.